Hello, my name is Witness, and today I'm going to speak about the blue engine of life, which is the ocean. Okay, when we look at the map, we see different names like the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian, and the Arctic. But in reality, there is only one global ocean, and it's a single continuous body of water that functions at the heart of our planet. To understand the ocean, you must understand its scale, as it covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. If you were to look at the Earth from space, you wouldn't see a green planet, you would see a blue marble, and it holds about this 97% of the all water on Earth. It is not just part of our world, it's the dominant feature of our world. Now, what does the ocean give to us? We often take for granted how much the ocean gives us every single day. At first, it provides the air we breathe, as more than 50% of the oxygen on Earth is produced by the tiny marine organism called phytoplankton. And most of us think that we get the oxygen only from the trees, which it is not correct. So this is the truth. Every second breath we take, it comes from the sea. Second, it's our climate controller. The ocean absorbs the sun heat and spread it across the globe, while keeping the earth at the temperature where we can survive as human beings. And finally, it's a source of life and wealth, as it provides the primary protein for over 3 billion of people and serves as the highway for 8% of global trade, as almost everything we own is likely traveled across the ocean to reach where we are. The marvels of engineering and science in the ocean. As someone fascinated by how things work, I find the science of ocean very incredible. People often ask, how does a small stone sink while a massive spaceship stays afloat? This isn't magic, it's physics, specifically Archimedes' principle, which is said that when the body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upthrust which is equal to the weight of the fluid displacement. So a ship is engineered to displace an amount of water equal to its own weight. This requires the precise understanding of stability, buoyancy, and hydrodynamics. The ocean is the ultimate laboratory where we learn to master the force of nature and to move the world's economy. So what is our responsibility as humans toward the ocean? However, this great engine is under threat. We often treat the ocean like a landfill, throwing the plastic and chemicals towards it. But the ocean has a way of giving back what we put in. And marine life consumes those plastics, and eventually they end up on our own planet. We're essentially posing our own food supply, as the ocean is the friend that we have ignored for too long. It is not just part of for vacation and not for enjoyment. It's a complex system that requires our respect, our study, and our protection. And I just want us to remember one thing. The ocean does not need us, but we desperately need the ocean, as it was here long before we arrived and it carries the blueprints for our entire future. So the ocean remains our greatest frontier, and there is still so much to discover beneath the waves and so much room for us to improve how we navigate them. So this is what I wanted us to learn together concerning the ocean.